Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fee here, and your girl got a wig. It's been a minute, but your girl back. We out here, we're recording, we getting our shit together, and we got a wig to prompts getting our shit together, okay? I have been easily influenced once again. I know you've seen it on TikTok, YouTube's, Instagrams, all the medias. Unice. So I went ahead and got myself a wig. Now, hold on. It ain't the wig you think it is. It's a V-part wig. So unbox this V-part wig with your girl, okay? We got it from Unice. Okay, so although my back box a little toe down, this is what it looks like. This is the box. And it comes like this. So this is the wig. I got me a Babiana, alright. I got me it says no gel, no glue V-part wig. Babiana June, 14 inches V-part wig. Now, is this completely different than a U-part wig? I feel like it's the same. It's just a difference of how much space you have for your leave out. Which I wanted the V-part wig for my leave out situation because this is a 14-inch Babiana, and we could, you know, your girl hair longer than 14 inches. So y'all want to do the wig first, or should we do the extra stuff? Because they gave us some goodies in the box. Look, we got some things up in here. Which one y'all want to do first? Let's do the goodies, okay? We got some sunglasses, super cute case. It says Unice on there. Super cute. Come on, Unice. With the gifts, I see y'all. I see y'all. I can't get it out, but I see y'all. All right. Oh, this is cute. I should do the rest of the video with these on. Yeah. Let's go to the next thing. Alright, so next we have a wrap. Looks like a band, the edge band, but it's the one with the net in the back. So isn't that the one that you pull over your head and then you like pull it back up to cover your edges? I think so. We have this thing. I don't know what this is. Let me know in the comments. You got a package from Unice before. What's this? I don't know. Maybe I should open it. But it's given sterile packaging. Like, you know how you open the gauze and you got to pull it open? It's given sterile packaging. So I don't want to open it unless I need it. Alright. And then they gave us a little baggie full of goodies. Shout out to the goodies. You know, like, shout out to the companies that give you goodies after you spent your hard-earned dollars with them. Okay? Shout out to them. We love that. We love to see it. We love to get them. And we love to open them. Alright, so the next thing is a Unice band. Now, I know this one is for sure for the edges. So I'm assuming that this one is going to be the one that's Velcro. And this one is the one that you put over your head. Let me know in the comments if I'm wrong. Okay, I could be wrong. Let me know. Alright, next. They give you a wig cap, although I don't think I need this because it's a V part, but I guess technically you could still use a wig cap. You just have to cut it open for the V. But look at the color, the proper color. So you don't have to do too much, you know, shade matching because it ain't tan, beige, white, you know. We got this little guy. Let's see, what is this? Oh, it's a makeup brush. That's cute. It's soft too. This is perfect for like my travel bag. It's definitely a travel bag. All right, what's next? Oh, we have this little guy. This looks like a threader, like a little needle. Let's see. Little needle. You see it right there? You see the needle? Oh, all right. Good enough. Okay, good enough. All right, what else we have? Lashes. Ooh, they some. Ooh, let's open them. Because, you know, when you order hair, some companies send lashes, but them joints be hard as paper. Like they've been glued down. Ooh, let's feel. Yeah. Come on. These are so, not I was whispering. These are so soft. Love to see it. Love to feel it. We're going to be using these. For sure. For sure you're right. For sure you're right. All right, that's it for the goodies. Let's get into this wig. Don't worry, y'all. The whole recording area about to get real upgraded. I ordered a desk. It's gonna go back. You see back there, right here. Yeah, it's gonna go back there. And I know it's dark back there, but I got lights too. So I didn't want to keep holding up the recording because my desk and shit was set up. So I had to go with the natural light today. So, but let's get into this wig, which I really can't afford, not for that other shit. We got us a no gel, no glue V-part wig by 14 inches. Just in case y'all need to see the, yeah, that's what it is, okay? Hopefully you screenshot that. I will put it in my link in my description, but I pay for this. You know how that shit goes. Whatever. Here we go. Let's unwrap her. Let's unwrap her. All right. That thing got booty. That thing got booty. Look at her. Look at her. All right, so this is what the V looks like, the V part. Oh, that's gonna be flat too. Might have to like hit it with a flat iron, but I feel like that's gonna be flat. Let's see, that's what it looks like. Okay, so on the inside, let's get to the specs. So we have 4 clips at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 2 combs on the side. And then we have another comb at the bottom. We got the OG band. It looks adjustable per this little guy, right? That means I can tighten it. It's already at the loosest, but whatever. And then we have this little clippy clip at the bottom. What does this go to? Oh. See, on this side, the clip is clipped to that. So I'm assuming it's supposed to clip to this guy down here. Let's see. Oh, yes. But I'm assuming you could use this to tighten up the wig as well as this. Y'all. I'm excited. I'm going to go ahead. Yeah, this about to be 2 parts, y'all. Sorry. Because my ponytail kind of a little on fleek. And am I about to take it down to put some braids in my hair? I don't know. But let's do a smell test. You know, we can't leave without doing a smell test. Well, I will say that it is giving a little tinge of, let me not say a tinge. It's giving a little bit of down here. The little down here shit. But from what I've seen on the internet, everybody just take it out the pack and put it on their hair, right? Do y'all wash these first? Let me know in the comments, because we got a little time before I put her on. So, am I supposed to wash this first? Did it give me, it didn't give directions. So, let me know. But we got the 40-inch V part, so it's going to be the bust down bobby on them. Listen, I'm excited. What y'all get from Unice? Have y'all tried this before? Let me know in the comments. Let me know. I'm gonna put the link in the description. I ain't no hater. You know, I'm gonna put the link in the description. But Unice, if you watching, I see you. You see me? You see me? I see you. Okay. Have your people go, my people. It's been real, y'all. Go. Part 2 is on its way, and we gonna install this thing together, okay? Because I gotta watch a couple more YouTube videos to make sure I got this down pat before I please myself. All right. See y'all on part 2 of the Unice wig. All right. Subscribe to my channel. It's been real. Peace.